Today, we are going to learn how to add fractions with different denominators. Sometimes fractions have different denominators. That's the bottom number. Let's start by adding 1/2 plus 1/4. We can't add them straight away. First, we need to make the denominators the same. Step 1. Find a common denominator. This means a number that both denominators can fit into. For 1/2 and 1/4, the common denominator is 4, because both 2 and 4 fit into 4. Step 2. Make equivalent fractions. We need both fractions to have 4 as the denominator. 1/2 becomes 2/4. We do that by multiplying the top and bottom by 2. 1/4 already has a denominator of 4, so it stays the same. Step 3. Now, the denominators are the same. We can add 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. Remember, you only add the top numbers, the numerators. The denominator stays the same. Now let's practice together. What is 2/3 plus 1/6? Think carefully. Find a common denominator, make the fractions the same, and then add. Here's how we do it. The common denominator is 6, so we can double the top and bottom. 2/3 becomes 4/6. 1/6 stays the same. Now add 4/6 plus 1/6 equals 5/6. Now it's your turn. Try adding these fractions. 1/3 plus 1/6 and 3/4 plus 1/8. Remember, find a common denominator first. Well done, everyone. You're getting brilliant at adding fractions with different denominators.